At Aero Jet Wash, we are leading the technology well into the future through our own patented designs. We are able to clean aircraft turbine engines that will save fuel, increase engine life, and at the same time protect the environment. All built right here in Dayton, Ohio. Our aircraft and aircraft engine wash equipment is economical, compact, mobile, easy to use, and 100% environmentally friendly, and can also be used inside of a hangar or at different locations wherever they may be. Aero Jet Wash, promoting a green environment. For more information, please call us at 866-381-7955 or visit us online at aerojetwash.com or gititechgroup.com.